Alright people, I'm at it again. This episode, I have to change out the auxiliary battery on a CLA 250. It's the wife's car. She was driving it the other day, went to go get some groceries, and said the car stopped on the dashboard, was indicating auxiliary fault or malfunction or something like that. So just gonna take the floor mats out of it on the passenger side and pull this carpet back right here, passenger side, and see what we have. I believe this is the cover right here. So pull those tabs down like that. Wow. Yeah, battery's definitely bad, corroded. So I'm gonna snap that back in there like that. I'm gonna pull down this bottom portion for the, I think it's the cabin air filter, get that out, and then I'm gonna pull this cover off, change out this battery, vacuum that up, and go from there. It's been extremely hot out here as well, so let me sit this camera down and hold on, let me see how I could do this. Yeah, there's some snaps right here for the cabin air filter. One on each side, I believe. There's one right there. And right there. Pull that off, because that needs to come off. Then pull this little snap down right here. Pull that one down. Take that cover off. So there you have it. Corroded away. So I'm gonna take this one out and put a new one in, and we should be good to go. Obviously this is where it's why you're getting the fault that I'm getting, or she's getting in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what size bolt this is, and let's get this taken out. And just like that, I'm back. It's a 10 millimeter. So let's put a 10 on there. That's the tighten. Come on. Take it off. So you loosen it up a little bit, just like that. Oh man, this is crazy. Didn't even know this car had this. It's a 2014, if I'm not mistaken, and it doesn't even have, she doesn't even have 20,000 miles on this car. I'm sorry, she doesn't even have 70,000 miles on this car yet. She rarely drives, so yeah, it's terrible. It's crazy, but I'm gonna get it done. Gotta make sure the missus is taken care of. So, and I'll get a little wire brush and clean up all of that. That's on there like that, but man, nuts, right? Should be able to just slide it out eventually. Yeah, it slides out. So I'll unhook it from right here as well, and then I'll slide it out and clean it up, vacuum it up, and replace it. All right, y'all, and just like that, we got the battery back installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a cover, and then install the portion for the cabin air filter, and that'll be it. And just like that, we have the cover installed along with the portion for the cabin air filter. So we're done for the day with this. So just be sure to tune in, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.